In this video, I'll show you how to connect your PowerBeats Pro to your MacBook, iMac computer. Very easy, can be done in a few seconds. Let me show you how. So the first step, you need to put them in the case, both of them. Great. Once this is done, depending if it's the first time you're using them or maybe you already connect them with another device, you need to open this lid, press the button that is located right over here during about 3 or 4 seconds until this LED here is blinking white. Whoops, I'm keeping press this button. Okay, it's blinking white, I can release it. Set these aside, do not close the lid. And on the Mac computer, you need to go on the top right corner, you see this icon? Click on it, go down and select Bluetooth. Go down and select Bluetooth Preferences. This screen will open. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Then go down this list and you should see PowerBeats Pro. Click on Connect. Now this is your choice. Do you want to enable Siri on your PowerBeats, or maybe if you want to use it, you want to use Siri, click Cancel. I'll select Enable. And now they'll be added to this devices list, and you should see connected written right over here with the battery level. So this is it. This is how you connect your PowerBeats Pro with your MacBook computer or any other Mac computer, not only MacBooks. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.